How to select the right toilet paper for your septic system. This short demonstration video shows a quick and easy test that can be done at home to simulate the behavior of toilet paper once flushed through your plumbing pipes to your septic tank. You will need a clear jar filled with 1 liter of tap water, a spoon, and a roll of each brand of toilet paper you would like to test. Tear 2 to 3 squares of toilet paper, crumple them together, and submerge them in the jar of water. Stir vigorously for 8 to 10 seconds. This action mimics what happens when a toilet is flushed. Repeat this action for each brand of toilet paper. For each test, observe how the toilet paper breaks down. A paper that breaks down quickly and into small flakes poses less risk of creating a blockage in your pipes and/or pumps. A paper breaking down slowly and into larger chunks increases the risk of blockage and will accumulate faster in the septic tank. Choosing to use paper products that break down easily can preserve your septic system performance. This video was produced by EnviroStep Technologies in partnership with the Ontario On-Site Wastewater Association.